So here they are. Hey, Timmy. I have my pet rats out for playtime. So I think they're finding it pretty interesting. What do you think about that? What do you think, honey? Moo-moo! You guys didn't finish your cookie? Hey, stop. She doesn't like that. Poe. You guys better be good with her. Where are you going, Poe? Timmy. Oh. Moo Moo. Oh, that's not Moo Moo. I'm sorry, Leela. Does you guys got your cookie? Oh, there she goes. Stop! You're a replicant. I'm putting you up here. You're gonna stay up there with Timmy. Hey, Crazy. Hey, Crazy. She's the smallest one, but she's the most hyper too. Oh, come here, Timmy. Timmy, you want to play? Yeah. Timmy's just all cuddles. He plays a little, but mainly cuddles. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, I know. You're all play. Hey, Timmy. How you doing? Hi, buddy. Pups! Come on, guys. She stole your cookie. That's your cookie? What are you gonna do? Get your cookie. Get your cookie from her. What about you? Hey, Poe. Oh, sorry, baby. Uh-oh. Nope, nope. They're not coming down yet. Almost, huh? Momo. What do you think about that, Timmy? Timmy, where'd you go? Uh-oh. You can get her, Timmy? Timmy, you're missing her. Timmy. Look. She's up there. Where'd she go? There she is.